case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1994 case heard by the Kansas Supreme Court, Grube v. Union Pacific Railroad, an engineer at Union Pacific Grube, claimed he suffered mental injury from a collision, but experienced no physical harm. The trial court ruled in favor of Grube, stating that he could recover damages for emotional distress without physical injury or fear for his safety. However, the case went before the Kansas Supreme Court to determine if Grube met the zone of danger test under the Federal Employers Liability Act, FELA. Key points considered were whether Grube feared for his safety and if he sustained physical injury from the impact. Ultimately, the Kansas Supreme Court reversed the trial court's judgment and ruled in favor of Union Pacific. The court determined that Grube failed to meet the zone of danger test requirements, and thus could not recover compensation for emotional distress caused by negligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.